OES 2015 helps organizations provision and control Active Directory user access to NSS file systems. This demo shows the installation of a new OES 2015 server and the subsequent joining of that server to an Active Directory domain. It does not cover upgrade scenarios or joining cluster resources. Before we begin, there are a few prerequisites that we need to be aware of. The DNS names of the domain controller and the OES 2015 server must resolve each other. The clocks on the OES 2015 server and Active Directory server must be in sync in order for Kerberos to work properly. You join a computer to Active Directory with a domain administrator, or a domain administrator equivalent, or a standard domain user account with sufficient rights. If you plan to designate a standard user, refer to Microsoft documents for configuration details. Create PTO record for the domain controller in the reverse lookup zone. You need not create a pointer record for the OES 2015 node you are going to join to the domain. NSS AD support allows the Active Directory users to access the NSS file systems seamlessly. The OES 2015 installation process remains same as in previous releases. Selecting the NSS AD support pattern also selects and installs all the other dependent applications. NSS AD support requires configuration in order for the installation to proceed further. If you want to configure it later, disable it, and then continue with the installation. Configuring NSS for Active Directory. Carefully go through the advisory notes, and accept to proceed further. This field displays the domain name based on this server's LAN settings. Specify the domain name if you want to join to a different domain. Specify the user credentials of the administrator, or an administrator equivalent, or a standard domain user with sufficient rights to create computer objects. By default, the domain join process creates the computer object for this server to the default container CN=computers. If you specify a different organizational unit, for example, OU=OES 2015 servers, it adds the computer object to that OU. Create the OU before you start configuring NSS for Active Directory. Selecting this checkbox maps this server to the computer object that exists in the container you specified. Before you start configuring NSS for Active Directory, create the computer object with the NetBIOS name of the node. Novell Identity Translator dynamically provides Linux user IDs on OES 2015 systems to Novell eDirectory and Microsoft Active Directory users for NSS file access. Verification. From the terminal console run the klist-ke command. These are the service principles of the OES 2015 node. Now, open the Active Directory Users and Computers console. You will notice that computer object has been created or mapped to the pre-created computer object for the OES 2015 node. This is the OES 2015 node that you joined to the Active Directory domain. This concludes the demonstration of joining an OES 2015 server to an Active Directory domain. Thank you for watching.